Hello, welcome everyone. Welcome to episode 1 of Retro Repairs. I'm not sure what I'm going to call this series. This is my first repair I'm doing. We have an Atari 2600 Heavy Sixer that the power jack is very bad and the plug just falls out, turns off, whatever. So we're going to be fixing that today. Alright, so right now we're just going to get out these 6 screws out on the bottom. There's 4 on the top and 2 on the bottom. I'm just going to let that play and we'll play some music. So here I actually realized there was 2 screws underneath that was holding the motherboard down. So we're undoing these. So that picture right there was just the 3 blobs of solder that are holding in that little piece. So all we have to do is remove that and we'll be golden. I'm adding flux right now, which makes it easier to remove. So first we're going to reflow them, which is basically heating up the old solder, as this is from 1977. So it is very old and the solder has not been touched mostly from 1977. So we're going to heat it up and make it new solder, and that will make it way easier for us to remove. Okay guys, sorry for like the terrible angles and it's not very clear to see, but what I am doing is on those 3 balls, what I'm holding in my hand is called the solder sucker. Basically we heat it up and I push that button and the solder shoots up into there and it removes it. So that's all we're doing, removing those 3 blobs. I'm sorry I didn't get very good footage. I will try harder next time. So as you can see right here, we did get it off. There it is. It looked very bad. Like, it did not look good at all. Alright, so now that we got the first piece out, we're going to be putting in the second piece. Now, this piece is pretty easy. All we're going to do is we're going to put it in, add a little bit of flux to the first pin, and solder that pin in place. So as you can see, I am holding it and I am just hitting that first pin just so we can get it stable. Okay, we are just finishing up now. I'm going to take some 99% IPA and a toothbrush, and we are going to clean this up. It is actually really good for you to clean your board with isopropyl alcohol, mostly 99%, as it has the least amount of water, and electronics and water don't go good together. But just in case that you have any leftover flux, it can actually harm your electronics, so make sure you clean them. Alright, so now all we're going to be doing is putting this completely back together. It is good, the port is solid, we're going to put it back together so we can test it. Alright, and as you can see here, we do have it plugged in and it is working. I will show you that the plug is firm, and yeah, it works great. It's awesome. It works so much better. Thank you guys for watching. I will be posting more videos like this soon, so if you like it, follow me on social media. I post on TikTok a lot more, but I will try and post on YouTube as much as I can, so thank you for watching.